I feel like it's important today to share with you the second L of Be All You, coming from a place of pure me. No makeup, no hair done, in my down home clothes. I want to show you me, because the second L stands for love yourself. Now, this is a difficult concept for some people who don't even really like themselves. But truly loving yourself and accepting yourself for everything that you are, for all of the pieces that are mismatched and put together in the wrong order, for all of the places that you're struggling, and for all of the beauty that is living this life. We need to love ourselves. It is fundamentally the only thing that truly matters, is that you love and respect and are kind to yourself, because everything else will be impacted. Every other element that we've talked about, every other area of your life will be affected if you start to rebuild that love for yourself. And I say rebuild because at some point in your life, you had unconditional love and affection and appreciation and acceptance of everything that you are. But what happens, right? We live and we go through experiences and we create this not enough belief system. And it's the culture that we live in that is not enough. We're always striving for more. We're always looking for more. What we have is never enough, including who we are is never enough. So this is about turning that off and restarting and rebuilding the way we see ourselves, because it is so exceptionally amazing how unique we all are. Every single person on this earth is unique and different. And it is my deepest belief that that's why we're here. We're here to express everything that we are. Every little bit of what makes you you is your gift to this world. So stop hiding it and start sharing it.